Hello third class, please open your content book of science, block 9. Students, as you know, we have completed our block 9 in our online class and the name of block 9 is bones, joints and muscles. But students, some students couldn't join me on this online class. So with the help of this video, they can complete their pending work. So students, let's see what we have learned or what we are going to learn in this block. Let's start. Big idea. Students understand that bones give our body structure and protect our internal organs. So bones का क्या वर्क होता है? वो हमारी बॉडी को स्ट्रक्चर देती है and protect our internal organs. So there are many internal organs that we cannot see. Who protect them? Our bones. And that together, bones, joints and muscles help move the body to body parts. So इसलिए जो bones, joints और muscles हैं वो हमारी body को help करते हैं move करने में. Now students, please turn your page. Lesson number 1 is functions of our skeleton. So इसमें हम देखेंगे कि हमारे skeleton की क्या क्या function होती हैं. But first of all, what is a skeleton? Skeleton. This is the picture of a skeleton. Now we will read the explanation of skeleton. We have 206 bones in our body. So how many bones we have? 206 bones. That make up a framework. Framework मतलब structure. That make up a framework called the skeleton. So जो framework होता है, जो structure बनता है हड्डियों से, that is called skeleton. These bones are the hard and rigid parts of our body. So ये कैसे पार्ट होते हैं? हार्ड एंड रिजिड. रिजिड मतलब कठोर, हार्ड. The skeleton can be divided into 3 main parts. जो skeleton होता है वो 3 main parts में divided होता है. So what are the 3 main parts? That is skull. This part is called skull. Rib cage. You can see the rib cage part. जो chest और abdomen से attach होता part, that is called rib cage. Next is backbone. जो हमारी back होती है और back में जो bone होती है, that is called backbone. Clear students? There are 5 functions of the skeleton. These are, so skeleton के जो functions होते हैं, now we will read them. First function of skeleton is protection. The skeleton protects our internal organs. The skull protects our brain. So जो skeleton होता है internal organs को protect करता है and skull, this part, skull protect our brain. Clear students? The rib cage protect our internal organs like the heart and the lungs. So rib cage किसको protect करेगा? Heart and lungs को. Shape. The skeleton gives shape to the body. Skeleton और क्या करता है? Body को shape देता है. Next one is support. The backbone helps us stand in an upright position. So backbone की ही help से हम straight stand कर पाते हैं, सीधे खड़े हो पाते हैं. Movement. Muscles are attached to bones which are joined when the muscles contract, the bones move. So muscles और bones होती हैं वो दोनों ही एक साथ movement करते हैं and both of them help them to move. Next one is blood production. Blood cells are produced in the bone marrow of some bones. So कुछ जो bones होती हैं उनके अंदर blood cells produce होती हैं. Clear students? I hope this lesson is clear to you all. So related worksheet is S1, our skeleton. Look at the picture. Answer the questions. So ये पिक्चर दी है और इसी के बेस पे आपको आंसर करना है. दिस पार्ट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? स्केलेटन. रिब केज, यू कैन सी रिब केज एंड बैकबोन. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई डज आवर हेड फील हार्ड? नाउ स्टूडेंट्स टेल मी, व्हाई डज आवर हेड फील हार्ड? स्टूडेंट्स, एज यू नो, बोन्स आर द हार्ड पार्ट and in our head the skull is located. हमारे हेड में स्कल होता है and so we feel hard when we touch our head. Clear students? And also skull protect our head. Next question is write two functions of our skeleton. So you have to write two functions of our skeleton. The skeleton gives shape to the body. Skeleton shape भी देती है, provide करती है हमारी body को. And the backbone helps us to stand straight. Clear students? So you will think and write your answer. Next question is why do we feel something hard when we pat a dog on its back? सो डॉग की बैक जो है उसमें भी क्या होती है, बोन होती है, बैकबोन होती है, और बोन्स आर द हार्ड पार्ट. सो वी फील हार्ड व्हेन वी पैट द बैक्स, व्हेन वी पैट द डॉग्स बैक. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन टू दिस लेसन प्लान आर question number 1, fill in the blanks. There are dash bones in our body, so you have to tell how many bones in our body. Next question is the bones are the dash parts of our body. So bones हमारी body का कैसा part होते हैं? Hard part. The bones are the hard parts of our body. Clear students? Next question is what is the skeleton? What are its functions? So you have to tell that what is the skeleton. Yes, the framework in human body. The framework of bones in human body is called a skeleton. And what are the functions of skeleton? Yes, skeleton provide protection to internal organs. It provides shape and structure because it helps us stand straight, reproduce blood cells, produce blood cells. So you have to think and write your answer. Clear students?